Ron Scott here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to backwash my pool filter. Before we get started, it's a good idea to clean out the skimmer basket. Go over to the pool equipment just outside the side gate. Turn off the pump by moving the switch to the center position. Rotate the valve handle 180 degrees counterclockwise to the backwash position. Turn on the pump by moving the switch to the up position. Run the pump until the sight glass clears. Turn off the pump by moving the switch back to the center position. Rotate the valve handle 180 degrees counterclockwise back to the filter position. It is important to rotate the handle in the same direction as earlier, counterclockwise. Turn on the pump again by moving the switch to the up position. Open the gray bin just outside the sliding door to the house. Open the white box and put 1.5 cans of diatomaceous earth in the white bucket. Fill the bucket almost to the top with water from the hose, stirring to create a slurry. Remove the skimmer cover and place the bucket next to the skimmer so the bucket valve is over the skimmer. Flip up the valve handle and let the slurry flow into the skimmer. Stir occasionally with the red wand to maintain a good mixture. Pour the last bit of slurry from the bucket into the skimmer and replace the cover. Back at the pool equipment, set the pool pump to timer mode by moving the switch to the down position. The pump switch must be left in the down position once you are done, otherwise the pump will remain on all the time and cost me money. The pump may or may not continue to run once the switch is in the down position, depending on where the timer is in its cycle. Store the bucket and wand back in the gray bin and close the lid. And you are done.